So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add stickers to a video here on VN Video Editor. So once it's opened up where it says tap to add stickers /PIP, select that and then go insert and select elements. Once you're here, if you're just on this screen right here, simply just scroll down. So shapes, line and shapes, logos, etc. You can keep scrolling down to where there's a bunch of different stickers right here. So you can go ahead and do what you got to do. So for example, if you wanted to add like a money sticker right here, you can add that, which I will do. If you wanted to go ahead and add another one, you can go ahead, elements right here, add another different sticker. So if you wanted to add like the earth right here, you can go ahead and add the earth just like that. And if you were to go ahead and play the video, as you can tell, the stickers that I just added are now inside of my video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add stickers to a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.